Today we're touring 4784 James Austin Drive, a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home with ample parking and a separate basement apartment. As we enter the home, notice the hardwood flooring and pot lights. This is a separate family room with large windows overlooking the beautiful greenery. Continuing through is the open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen. It's south-facing with plenty of pot lights, so it's always bright and welcoming. The eat-in kitchen has granite flooring and a granite countertop, and upgraded KitchenAid appliances including a French door fridge, gas stove, built-in microwave with a hood fan, and a built-in dishwasher. The main floor also has direct access from the garage and a laundry room with a sink and a stacked Bosch washer and dryer. And this is the powder room. Alright, let's head upstairs. This is the large primary bedroom with a walk-in closet, pot lights, and this beautifully renovated ensuite bathroom with a soaker tub and a large glass shower. There are 3 more bedrooms with closets and large windows and a 4-piece renovated bathroom on this floor. The amount of space in this home is amazing. Down in the basement, it's a separate apartment with a living room, separate kitchen, a dining area, separate laundry, and a bedroom. The backyard has a deck, a shed for storage, and is quite private because it doesn't have a rear neighbor. Live your best life right here at 4784 James Austin Drive.